shapes, let's name them all. 1, 2, 3, count with me. How many toys can we see? Clap your hands and say hooray! Learning numbers every day. Pop it open, peek inside. A happy toy, oh what a surprise! Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Numbers are fun for you and me. Surprise eggs, so much fun. Learning while we play and run. Open, open, let's explore. Come back soon for learning more.
Please like and subscribe.